In this video, we're going to discuss how to use the calendar form to display employee hourly capacity and schedule off of that. For this example, we're going to be scheduling some install employees for a week of installations. The first step would be to configure the calendar form to show our install tasks. I'm going to do this by going to Type and selecting Phase Task. Since my install task is a phase task, I'll select Install. And I want to schedule based off of the budget hours for the install task. So under Quantity, I'm going to choose Budget Hours. And I would like to see these tasks spread out over the start and due date duration of my install task. So I'm going to change the date from due date to capacity dates. Now that we're seeing our install tasks on the calendar form, the next thing to do would be to get our employee's capacity to display. To do this, we need to go to the employee form, go to the employee that we want to add capacity for, and enter in the hours that they are available to work on a given day. In this example, we'll say that these two install employees work 8 hours a day, Monday through Friday. So we'll go ahead and enter in those hours for both these employees. The second step would be to assign their capacity hours to a department. Since they're installers, I'm going in the department window, I'm going to right click and hit add, and I'm going to add them to the installation department and say that they work 100% of their capacity in the installation department. I'll go ahead and do this for the second employee. Now that we've configured the labor capacity for our install employees, we can go back to our calendar form and we can turn on the capacity for a department. So I'm going to hit this checkbox, Display Capacity for Department, and we'll choose Installation. And you can see that now our employees are showing their capacity 100% of their time. And above the hours for a given task on a given day, we're seeing the capacity hours, which is 16 because we have 8 hours each day. Green means that we are under capacity, red means that we are over capacity. This is a helpful tool because now I can see that I have overscheduled my installers on this DSU West Stadium expansion project. And I can either add capacity by adding another installer, or I can extend the time that they have to work on this project. That's what I'll do in this case. So I'm going to go to my project form. And we'll look at the install task and see that they're due on the 25th, but I'll just go ahead and we'll override them and extend the due date 1 day. And we'll go back to our calendar form and we'll hit the Respread Current Tasks, and you'll see that this will adjust. And now we've given them an extra day and it's spread out the tasks to where I'm under budget